Welcome! This is Learning Health and Fitness channel, and in this video we will discuss how lemon water can change your life, the health benefits of drinking lemon water every day. But before we begin, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Lemon water isn't new, but it is trending. We've been told to drink lots of fresh water every day. Staying hydrated can help our body stay healthy and function properly. But why stop there? Why not make drinking lemonade as delicious to enjoy them too? Watch this video for more information on the health benefits you'll get from drinking lemon straight up. Keep watching! Number 1. Boosts your immune system. It is said that one of the best things that you can do for your body's health and well-being, aside from eating right 80% of the time, is drinking water instead of sports drink, which often have high fructose corn syrup added as a preservative. One vital ingredient present inside limes, vitamin C. Alongside its powerful antioxidant properties like learning how to fight off free radicals on our skin while promoting cellular regeneration, lemon water does not only have a tangy taste that's refreshing on the hot days, but it also helps combat stress. The vitamin C content in our body goes down when we're stressed, and this is why experts suggest having an extra boost of citrus fruits such as lemons during stressful periods to make up for lost minerals. Other nutrients found within lemon include calcium, potassium, which both play important roles within our muscles' function because of their connection with folate, which helps form red blood cells. Number 2. Aids in weight loss. Lemon water not only has the health benefits of being low in calories, but also helps you feel full for longer. Studies show that an increase in fiber intake, especially from fruit sources, can result in decreased body weight and fat levels. Now, the key ingredient present when drinking lemon juice is pectin, which expands within our stomach, helping us avoid extra snacks between meals or during downtime at work. Number 3. Improves digestive health. Did you know that lemons are actually made up of around 10 carbs? These are primarily in the form of sugar and soluble fiber. The main ingredient for this type of dietary goodness is pectin, which has many health benefits such as improving gut health and slowing digestion time when it comes to starches or sugary drinks like lemonade. Without getting any pulp from your citrus fruits, then there's no chance of getting these great perks. But don't worry, because they're rich not only with nutrients but also flavor too, so make sure to squeeze some juice into every single drinkable bowl while eating breakfast today. Number 4. Supports heart health. If you're looking for a way to improve your health, consider including vitamin C-rich foods like lemons each day. Research has shown that consuming 31 mg of this essential nutrient per serving can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke by as much as 50%. In addition, there are plant compounds found only in citrus fruits such as hesperidin or diasmin, which lower cholesterol levels when consumed regularly, especially if they come from limes. Overall, drinking lemon water is a heart-healthy drink that you can integrate into your daily routine. Number 5. Fights off anemia. Iron is an essential mineral for the body's cells to survive and grow. When you're deficient in iron, it can lead to your daily activities being impaired with a lack of energy, or even worse, anemia. Fortunately, there are plenty of foods such as lemons that have enough supply of iron. More so, they prevent this problem by enhancing absorption from plant resources like fruits and vegetables, which makes them perfect snacks when feeling tired after lunch at work. Not only do these contain nutrients needed every day, it will also give instant gratification because we all know how satisfyingly crisp their flavor tastes on ice-cold beverages. Just try one! Alright, so if you're enjoying this video, I have another suggestion for you. But before that, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. Number 6. Prevent kidney stones. In a recent study, lemon water was found to help treat kidney stones. Kidney stones are small lumps that form from built-up waste products in your kidneys, and they're pretty common because those who get them often continue experiencing it over again without undergoing any treatment for the condition. Citrate is one such compound used as an anti-stone medication, so it can be helpful if consumed regularly or taken before eating anything rich with calcium, like cheese. Drinking half a cup per day may prevent you from ever developing kidney stones. Number 7. Lowers cancer risk. Lemon water is rich in antioxidants, which can help fight off some cancers. One study found that people who eat lots of citrus fruits have a lower risk for cancer, such as oral tumors, or inhibits their development. While another point out how the chemical makeup within lemons protects cells from damage, which ultimately reduces risk by preventing free radicals before they contribute anything bad to it. Number 8. Helps clear the skin. Lemon water has been claimed to help improve skin quality by making it glow and radiant. But how true is this? Drinking lemonade every day won't replace a solid skincare routine, but you can still get some anti-aging benefits from your favorite drink, like preventing blemishes on the stomach area or reducing wrinkles in other parts of your face where we pour liquid onto ourselves regularly. The antioxidants found within citrus fruits such as lemons have also linked back towards fighting off age spots. So enjoy those vitamin C rich glasses without worrying too much if they'll add extra weight around your midsection, because what doesn't tighten us up anymore, right? Number 9. Freshens breath. The lemon has been used as a folk remedy for centuries to remove the smells of garlic or other strong odor-causing foods. The citric acid in lemons is so potent that it can kill bacteria that cause bad breath. Thus, why drinking it daily will help freshen your mouth with its refreshing taste and calming effect on teeth caused by dryness. It also stimulates saliva, while water prevents any issues related therefrom, such as gingivitis or toothaches. Just be mindful when consuming citrus juices near bedtime if you want clear pearly whites. The juice from 2 to 3 lemons can be used throughout the day. That's around 4 tablespoons or 8 shots. We recommend drinking 1 glass with each meal and another before bed. However, it is important to note to not overdo it, as too much lemon could erode tooth enamel and damage your teeth. In addition, there is no evidence regarding whether sugar-free beverages are better than regular ones when trying to lose weight, so don't go crazy adding more honey into everything just yet. Have you tried this method? Tell us in the comment section below. If you have, we want to hear about your experience. Did it help with a detox or hydration? Were there any other benefits that you noticed? We're always looking for new ways to improve our health, so let us know if you think drinking lemon water is worth adding to our list. Thanks for watching, and if you learned something new and are into health and fitness, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when our new videos are released.